Hey, it's Brian Stephens at eXp Realty. Check out 3976 Laurel Avenue. This is located in South Lakeland, technically Highland City. It is minutes away from Public Shopping Center, close to the Polk Parkway. Great location. So it's a brand new home too, 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's go check it out. Okay, so if you're looking for a brand new home, 4-bedroom, 2-bath with no HOA, it's on a nice sized lot too. Wait till I show you the backyard. This is gonna be a nice choice for you. It's in Highland City, which is a small suburb in South Lakeland, Southeast Lakeland. And this is a, again, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, close to 2,000 square feet. It's a spec home, so it's built strictly for resale. You can see they put in the ceramic tile with the wood look, if you will. You first walk in, it's got a huge living room, formal living room, sitting area, what have you. And then it goes back to the family room. Note the high ceilings. You see this kitchen, it's just really, really nice with the granite countertops, the stainless steel appliances, the huge island. You can put some bar stools right up underneath here. It's got the slow close cabinets and drawers. Kitchen, pantry, closet pantry right here. And then the laundry area is also nice size. A little bit of room on the back here if you want to add something, but you can see the nice open design. Lots of natural light. So it's a split bedroom plan. You've got 3 bedrooms and 1 bath here. You have the master where I'm now putting my phone. So let's do this. Let's first of all go check out the master suite. Okay, and you can see that the master, it's got a deluxe master bathroom, has double sinks, and then this is the toilet room area. Note the nice gray tile with the shower door here, large shower head. Again, everything's brand new. Does have a good soaking tub, 2 sinks, raised countertops. And this is nice. So for your linens, you've got kind of the linen closet built in the master bedroom closet. There's some space around the other side of the door here, but I'm going to keep moving. So now we'll head up to a little bit more of the rear of the home. This is where the kids go, or maybe you've got an office back here. Here's a full bathroom with a tub shower combination. There is also a linen closet behind this door. And all these bedrooms are nice size. Of course, the closet, I'm not going to open up all the closets, but you can see they're a little bit at an angle. This one overlooks the backyard. Closets around to the right. And same thing here. It's got all the knockdowns for the ceiling. Everything's painted nice and neutral and white. And so you can kind of put your own little color spin on it. And then this has got a nice size concrete patio. It's got a fenced backyard with the PVC fencing on the left and the rear. And then looks like new wood fencing on this side. So it's got a big yard. But again, no HOA. So no nosy neighbors, nobody to tell you got to do something to your house. Now, something else to note, they did concrete stucco all the way up, which is really nice as far as low maintenance goes. Sometimes you'll see builders or investors putting some a different material up there, which does not tend to wear as good in Florida weather. Also like these little shelves right here. And then I just want to finish off and just show you this. 2-car garage right off the main area when you first come in. It does have irrigation. It's pre-wired for a garage door opener, and then your water heater is right around here. So if you'd like some more information on this home, I would be happy to show it to you. Do a walkthrough with you, give you some more financing options, and just kind of tell a little bit about more of the area and other homes we've got available. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you don't mind, do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So whenever I drop more videos like this, you'll be notified. Have a great day. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian.